Genius Bank High Yield Savings Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? Most people get this wrong, but not all high-yield savings accounts are created equal. Some offer attractive rates but hide fees, impose restrictions, or limit access to your money. Today, we're taking a deep dive into Genius Bank High Yield Savings in 2025 to uncover whether it's truly worth your money or better left alone. By the end of this review, you'll understand how it works, its benefits, drawbacks, and how it compares to other savings options in the market. What is Genius Bank? Genius Bank is a digital-first bank focused on providing flexible and competitive financial products to individuals seeking better interest on their savings. In 2025, their high-yield savings account is positioned as a strong contender for savers who want to maximize returns without locking in their money, combining competitive interest rates with online accessibility and minimal fees. Genius Bank emphasizes user-friendly digital banking, FDIC insurance, and attractive interest rates that consistently outperform the national average. Key features of Genius Bank High Yield Savings. 1. Competitive interest rates: in 2025, Genius Bank offers rates around 4.35% APY well above the national average of roughly 0.40% for traditional savings accounts. 2. No monthly fees: there are no maintenance fees, meaning your savings grow unhindered. 3. FDIC insurance: deposits are protected up to $250,000 per depositor providing security and peace of mind. 4. Digital banking convenience: fully online management through a user-friendly website and mobile app for easy deposits, transfers, and monitoring. 5. Low minimum requirements: accounts can be opened with as little as $1, making it accessible for virtually anyone. How does Genius Bank High Yield Savings work? Opening and managing a Genius Bank High Yield Savings account is simple. 1. Sign up online: fill out the online application with your personal information, including social security number, address, and employment details. 2. Fund your account: you can start with a minimal deposit. Linking your checking account allows easy funding and transfers. 3. Earn interest daily: interest accrues daily and compounds monthly, helping your savings grow faster. 4. Access your funds: you can transfer money to linked accounts, with federal regulations generally limiting certain withdrawals to 6 per month. Interest rate comparison. To understand the value of Genius Bank, let's compare it to other options in 2025. Traditional bank savings: 0.30-0.50% APY **. Other online high yield savings accounts: 3.50- 4.25% APY **. Genius Bank High Yield Savings: 4.35% APY on a $10,000 deposit. Traditional bank: $50 interest per year *. Genius Bank: $435 interest per year. That's nearly 9 times the interest simply by choosing the right savings account. Benefits of Genius Bank High Yield Savings. 1. High returns: the main advantage is the attractive APY that accelerates savings growth. 2. No fees: with no monthly maintenance fees, your money grows uninterrupted. 3. Security: FDIC insurance ensures deposits are safe up to $250,000. 4. Ease of use: the digital platform makes managing your savings simple and accessible anywhere. 5. Low barrier to entry: minimal deposit requirements make it easy for new savers to start. Drawbacks to consider: digital-only model: if you prefer in-person banking, Genius Bank might not be ideal. Withdrawal limits: federal regulations limit certain transfers or withdrawals to 6 per month, potentially restricting access if needed frequently. Variable rates: like all high-yield accounts, interest rates can change with market conditions. While currently competitive, there is no guarantee the 4.35% APY will remain constant. Real world example. Let's take an example. Alex, a 28-year-old professional, deposits $15,000 in Genius Bank high yield savings with 4.35% APY compounded monthly. After 1 year, $653 earned in interest. After 5 years, $3,825 earned in interest. Compare that to a traditional bank at 0.50% APY. After 1 year, $75 earned. After 5 years, $380 earned. By choosing Genius Bank, Alex earns nearly $3,500 more in 5 years, a significant advantage for long-term savings goals. Tips to maximize your savings. 1. Automate deposits. Schedule regular transfers from your checking account to maximize compounding. 2. Limit withdrawals. Stick to federal limits to avoid fees and ensure continuous growth. 3. Monitor market rates. Keep an eye on competitors to ensure your savings are always earning the best possible interest. 4. Use for long-term savings. This account works best for emergency funds, goal-oriented saving, or long-term growth rather than daily transactions. Genius Bank vs competitors. When comparing Genius Bank to other high-yield savings accounts, Ally Bank: 4.25% APY, online only, no fees. Marcus by Goldman Sachs: 4.20% APY. FDIC insured discover online savings: 4.15% APY. No minimum balance. Genius Bank slightly outperforms competitors in APY, making it a strong choice in 2025. While differences of 0.10-0.20% might seem small, over large balances and long periods, they can translate into hundreds of dollars in extra earnings. Security and reputation. Genius Bank is FDIC insured and uses industry standard encryption and monitoring to safeguard your funds and personal information. Customer feedback generally praises smooth online banking, competitive rates, and reliable service, although a few users report occasional delays in transfers during system updates or holidays. Conclusion. So, is Genius Bank high yield savings worth it in 2025? If your goal is to maximize savings with minimal effort the answer is yes. The competitive interest rate, no fees, FDIC insurance, and digital convenience make it a top choice for savers seeking growth. The surprising truth is that even small differences in APY can accumulate significantly over time. For anyone serious about saving emergency funds, short-term goals, or long-term growth, Genius Bank offers a safe, efficient, and profitable option. If you're ready to grow your money faster, with minimal hassle and maximum security, Genius Bank high yield savings is solid choice in 2025. Set up automatic deposits, let compounding do its work, and watch your savings grow faster than traditional banking ever could.